today's vlog. We're on the bus. Going to the airport. I'm MacDonald. I don't want my hair to get on the seat. Tim taught me that trick. I want to go to bed. Made it to the airport. Terminal C seems to be under construction. There's really not a lot of people here at all. Security is like empty. Now we have like 2 hours. Do you want to go eat some seafood? Never understand that part of this terminal. There's just a seafood restaurant right when you walk in. They have a menorah and a Christmas tree. Like 5 Dunkin' Donuts in this terminal. Leave it to us to literally find the tequila bar. And chips and salsa, but we're not eating dinner till 8 tonight. And I was nervous about how we were supposed to eat.
I think on the plane you just go like this and just
Feed it up through.
I was gonna bring straws so that
It's freezing.
your water from straw, but I didn't do it. I forgot.
She comes with straws. The full spread. Let's try. Oh my goodness, she's drunk. Okay, let's try it. Not bad. The chips and salsa and guac were just like subpar, overly expensive, but what can you expect? Got some water though. We could take a break from our masks for a little bit, which is nice. Now we're gonna go to our gate and charge our phones until we have to board. I'm switching masks because the other one hurts my ears and I've been wearing it all day already. This guy did. We're now waiting to board. Our terminal is actually really kind of full. I mean, they have like the seats blocked off, so obviously everyone can't sit. But I'm just waiting over here across the aisle, standing. So I guess we're gonna be sitting for a while, so I might as well stand. But I think we're taking off in, I don't even know what time it is. 3:47 and we're supposed to board in 1 minute. So we'll see how this process goes. They have these like things right here. I don't really know what they do. It looks like maybe you scan your own boarding pass and then walk through. It looks like you scan your boarding pass there and then maybe it like lets you through. I don't really know. But there's a lot of people in our terminal, but it doesn't feel like there's a lot of people in the airport. So maybe everyone's just going where we're going. I don't know. There's lots of kiddos. It feels weird to travel during the day because usually I travel in the morning. So I just want to get there and go to bed, honestly. I'm so tired. We made it. Just went to the bathroom. Now I'm waiting for mom. We have like a 30 minute ride. Paps is waiting for us, and then I'm literally gonna shower and go to bed because I'm so tired. Didn't get to edit the vlog because it was so bumpy that I was just like motion sick. Love that. We're headed to find Pap. Like I said. Ew, my breath smells nasty.
It's disgusting.
All I can just breathe in is my own stench.
CO2 levels are off the charts.
Can't wait to go home and go to sleep. That's all. That's so pretty. I wonder if Paps has seen that. I can't even see.
There he is. You see the sock?
Mm-hmm. Hi, Pap.
You see the sock?
Hi guys, so we made it to my grandparents' place. We just had some sandwiches. Oh my god, I thought it was 11:34, but that clock is not right. It's actually 10:34. I'm gonna jump in the shower and literally go to bed because I stayed up late last night and now I'm up late again and I just need to like sleep, like solid. Not gonna set an alarm, just sleep. Found out the gym is closed, so that's a bummer. I was really planning on working out here because I haven't worked out in a few days, but we'll go on a long walk, so that'll be fine. Overall, the airport seemed all right. The ride was really turbulent because of the storm that's coming. So that was kind of scary and it just felt like the longest ride ever. My phone died, well, almost died, and was like overheating, so that was weird. But I watched The Elf towards the end, and then yeah, we landed and came here, and now I'm gonna go to bed. I haven't edited the vlog yet because I was just like getting motion sick on the plane, so I couldn't like do that, so I'll do that tomorrow morning and get it up. So I might be up a little bit late, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Look forward to some chilling by the pool, just relaxing, getting takeout, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.